Leaders face many challenges. One of the trickiest can be to work alongside people they don't really gel with. Inevitably, this is easier with some than with others. But there are things that we can do that can prevent a simple disagreement turning into something official, unpleasant, and costly. Firstly, we need to recognise that disagreements are never about facts or issues. They're mostly about the things that really matter, but that never get mentioned. Habits, values, personality differences. So the first step in preventing a bad situation with somebody from getting worse is to ditch the content, the surface topic, for long enough to pay attention to the person. We don't have to like everyone that we work with, but understanding our colleagues and reports does make them more human, more understandable, and therefore less easy to write off or to remain annoyed with. The second thing that we can do is to pay attention to what they are saying, especially to what lies behind the words. The trick is to look beyond the noise, to understand. The more we understand, the harder it is to dismiss the opposing opinion or person. Comprehension breeds respect. Agreement is neither here nor there. That may come later, or not. And to make this listening and understanding business all the more straightforward, I recommend that you stop thinking. Don't analyse what you're hearing and the thoughts that you're having. Don't think ahead. Forget about solutions. Understand now, think later. Paying attention to another person and truly hearing them out is one of the most demanding and yet progressive ways of leading and being in a team. It also happens to be the very best way to fix conflict, because it shines a helpful light on the very things that conflict depends upon: unspoken feelings, incorrect assumptions, and a lack of respect. I'm Furey, and that was How to Fix Team Conflict.